What's up, y'all? This is day 2 of the trip. I am leaving Orlando today, and we're going to be heading our way to North Carolina so we can be by Tail of the Dragon. Won't be able to drive through Tail of the Dragon today, just because it's going to take me about like 9 hours to get there, so it's going to be late. But we'll be able to get in my Airbnb, and tomorrow will be the day that we actually drive through there. But take you guys through the journey as I make my way up there. So. So just checked out, pretty much ready to go. I'm actually gonna go get myself some breakfast. There's a Waffle House around the corner. And if you guys know, like I'm from the Northeast, I'm from Mass. We don't got Waffle Houses around there. So I'm about to go check that out, see if that's any good. Alright, so I just left Waffle House earlier. Food is like really good. There was no fights. But the people that worked there were like super nice, so that was great. Got some good food and I'm ready to start tripping up to North Carolina. So if anything happens along the way, guess I'll capture that. But if nothing, I'll see you guys there. Just got to the Airbnb. It's pretty dark out. Sun pretty much has set, so about to get my stuff inside. I'm gonna show you guys around a bit. The place is nice. Alright, we're inside. That's gonna wrap it up for what I'm doing today. Gonna get some rest. Gonna hit the Tail of the Dragon tomorrow. Alright, so it's Saturday morning, and I'm gonna get all my stuff together, get all my equipment, get the GoPros ready, and we're about to start making our way over to the Dragon now. Of Porsches and a Ferrari, BMW, Porsche, nice. This is the real stuff here. Holy, it's tight. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. The elevation changed in that part back there.
How's it going? Good.
Get a little hot. Is that brakes or?
Probably brakes, yeah. Just warming up.
Looks like you might want to pop your hood real quick,
Yeah,
man.
check
Just
it
to
out.
check.
Yeah, yeah.
You ain't got something getting too hot where it shouldn't be.
Yeah, yeah. Ugh.
It does smell more like brakes now, but... Yeah, you got oil there for sure.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I got a pretty good flash rate on that. Looks like it's coming out of that return fitting, maybe.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh yeah. Part of the PCV system or something there on that. So a little fitting coming out of the back of the
Yeah, I mean,
head.
Right there where that light's pointing.
yeah, I see that. Yeah, it definitely looks loose.
I don't have any fucking tools with me, unfortunately, man. But
Yeah.
dude, definitely watch that because I don't have a fucking fire extinguisher either. It
Yeah.
wasn't until he said it looks like there's smoke coming out of his hood. I was like, dude, I don't have a fire extinguisher. None of that shit with me.
Yeah, I couldn't even notice that while like driving myself. So
No, dude, yeah. Like I said, we couldn't even really smell it, but definitely.
yeah, I'll definitely.
If somebody has a wrench and see if you can at least make sure it's tight enough.
Yeah, that definitely looks loose. Definitely need to tighten that.
Get on up there where everybody's parked at, and I'm sure somebody will have some tools there.
Yeah, for sure. So I'm heading back down. I got to the main point at the gas station there. I'm gonna get back down to the bottom of the mountain just so I can double check this because I am kind of sketched out with that oil line. The last thing I need is for this car to catch fire or something like that. I got it to the point where it's not leaking, but the fitting is not sitting on it properly. So I am going to try and get to an auto store, double check my oil levels, and try and see if I can get that fitting on sitting the way it should be. So I'll double check back in a bit. All right, so ended up figuring out the oil fitting issue. I got it tight enough where it's like sitting properly. It's sitting tight enough where it won't leak again. I'm definitely gonna keep my eye on it, and I don't know if I'm gonna really go like full tilt as much as I would have without that. It should be good now. I'm gonna keep checking it like every now and then to make sure it doesn't leak again. Everything should be fine now, and I went back to the Airbnb to change real quick because the weather picked up and it's a lot warmer than it was earlier. But we're gonna head back up to the Tail of the Dragon, and I'm actually gonna finish and get through the rest of it. So alright, so it should be all good now. I double checked the oil line. Everything looks good, so let's get this running. Looks like we're cruising with this BMW. See if we can keep up. Back to open air. I want to give the tires a chance to warm up a little bit. I don't really know how warm they are. Car feels good though. Good grip. Second gear is like perfect right now. it's like second gear all day. Perfect power band. Noticed any fade yet though. Hell yeah. Brakes are still doing good. Down for a bit and check on that that oil. Check on that oil. All right, no smoke, which is good. Yep, that fitting's still on. Perfect. Yep, I think that means I can push her a little bit harder. Let her cool down for a few minutes, get some water. Damn, 720S, bro, that purple is crazy. Got some good photos. Gonna let the car cool down a little bit more, then we'll head back out. Keep it moving.
System ready.
Oh, is that the GT3? Oh my god, it's the GT3. I don't think I'm going to be able to keep up with this, but I will try. GT3 like isn't going full tilt because I would not be able to keep up. sure, but that GT3 sounds beautiful. much gonna wrap it up for the trip. Gonna start making my way back to the Airbnb so I can get some rest so I can drive home tomorrow. Still a little bit of daylight out, but I think I'm gonna call it a day. I think I got a good amount of driving in. Definitely want to make a trip back here when I have some more time to actually get a little bit more time here. But I think I got a lot of driving in. We got a lot of good driving in. So I'm actually glad that I decided to stop by here on stop by Tail of the Dragon on my way up. This is definitely like a bucket list thing for me to do. So hella cool that I got to do this. So I'm gonna get some driving of some of the roads on my way out. But besides that, I'll talk to you guys later.